Here we have a mortgage formula loan. Okay, in this case here, for total loan costs, and they give you two options here, and you need a $150,000 loan. Okay. The option one is a 30-year loan at APR of 8.25%, and option two is a 15-year loan with APR of 7.75%. Okay. So in this case here, and there's our formula. And here, we define our parts to the formula. Our P is 150,000. APR is 8.25%, and as a decimal form, 0.0825. The value of N is 12. The value of Y is 30 years. Okay. So I did that there, and if you look at the original formula here, you see the APR over N. So I did that. I got that value. And then I also have a negative N times Y, and I did that too. Gives me a negative 360. And then I just plugged everything in. Okay. And in this case here, you have to do it in pieces. You want to simplify your numerator by multiplying here, and then in the denominator, you do this. To simplify the denominator, you have 1.0006875 raised to the negative 360, and 1 minus all that. Okay, and when you divide, and that simplifies, you get that value, then you just divide out. And that's the value you get there. $1,126 and looks like 90 cents for your payment, and that's for option one. So the payment would be for option one is $1,126.90. Then they do option two. What will the payment be for option two? So there's our formula. And P is 150,000. And there's APR at 7.75. N is 12, Y is 15. APR divided by N is this value. And a negative N times Y is a negative 180. Then we plug our data values into the formula here, and we simplify it. Simplify the numerator, we get that value. Okay, then we have 1.006458 raised to the negative 180, and 1 minus all that, and we get that value here. And then the payment would be $1,400. $1,111.91. That's what they have there. Okay, so the total repaid for option one is going to be the payment times 12 times the number of years. And so here you see that the payment times 12 times the number of years. Gives you $405,683.97. And that's how much is repaid for option one. And for option two, it's going to be $254,144.45. So so you can see the difference in the amounts that you're paying. So if you notice this here, they're also saying that how much you're going to save is going to be the difference between the two. And when you subtract it over time, you'll save $151,000 in total payments. If you go with the 15-year plan, you'll be paying more per month though, but in the long run, you'll save more money. And a lot of it depends on what your goals are. Having a lower monthly payment, which would mean you would have more money in your budget to do other things with. And it's possible that with a larger payment, you may have less money in your budget to do stuff with.